everyone, this is Bill with Secure Ideas, and we have another Boolean Math video for you today. Today we're going to look at the exclusive OR, or XOR, operation. Now this is symbolized by the crosshair looking symbol that's on the screen right now. To recap, Boolean Math basically uses a binary system, which only has two values that it can be. It can be either a 1 or it can be a 0. 1 is going to be equal to a true condition, whereas 0 is going to be equal to a false condition. So to define what the exclusive OR operation does, it checks to see if one of the values is true. If one and only one, we have to remember this part for exclusive OR. If it's one and only one of those values is true, then the final result is also going to be true. Otherwise, the result of a Boolean math problem is going to be false or 0. So we have a truth table for the exclusive OR. And this maps out all the combinations of 0 and 1, where you've got 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, and 1, 1. So to distinguish real quick between the OR operational logic and the exclusive OR operational logic, the OR logic says this: if either x or y is equal to 1, and it can be both, but if either of those is equal to 1, then the output is 1. Exclusive OR is a bit more focused, a bit more targeted than that. And what it says is, if one of the values between x and y, and only one of those values, is true, then the output is also true, or the output is also 1. So down here we have a problem. We have a Boolean math problem, something you might see on a CISSP exam. And so we're going to walk through how you would solve a Boolean math problem if you were faced with this on your test. So the very first thing you do is you always check to see what operation you're using. And if you see this crosshair looking symbol, then that's going to tell you you're using the exclusive OR logic. And so you're going to go column by column down the list and compare between x and y. And so x is equal to 0, y is equal to 1. If one and only one of those values is true, then the output is true, or the output is 1. And so you work your way down the list and you end up with a solution that looks like this. Now you'll notice, because we're using exclusive OR, the places where one and only one of those values between x and y is true, the output is true. Otherwise, in every other condition, the output is going to be false. Hopefully this helped to clarify between the OR and exclusive OR operations, and to give you an idea of how to solve this if it came up on your CISSP exam. So hope everyone had a good day, and thank you for joining.